And there's big breaking news that's coming in on the quantum of punishment in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. 3 convicts have been given a life term. This is the quantum of punishment that's coming in today. Remember, 5 accused in the case were awaiting the quantum of punishment that was to be given today, and 3 convicted of murder in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. And Bhavtosh joining us on the phone now for more details on this. Yes, Bhavtosh.
In fact, the court of the district judge in Karkarduma has awarded life imprisonment to 3 accused who have been found guilty of carrying out a carnage in the capital in 1984. They have been identified as Captain Bhagmal, who was a retired Indian Navy personnel, Balwan Khokar and Girdhari Lal. So they have been found guilty of murder, and they have faced. The court has said that they will have to spend rest of their life in imprisonment. In fact, the life imprisonment has been given to them. Now, earlier in the day, the CBI had asked for death sentence for all the 3 accused. The CBI for the first time said that the riots were a blot on Indian society, and said that the very fabric of the society was completely damaged by what happened in 1984. In fact, the court was also informed by the CBI that it's a case of rarest of rare, where the accused managed to get patronage from the state machinery and from the police, and that's why there was no conviction for nearly 29 years. Now, one must remember that this is a 28th conviction in 1984 anti-Sikh riot cases. So far in 30 years, only 28 people have been found guilty of carrying out riots and carnage in the capital, which saw death of at least 3,000 Sikhs. Even as we speak, protests have again started taking place outside Karkarduma Court. A motley group of around 20 to 30 protesters have gathered here. In fact, few of the victims of 19 anti-Sikh riots were inside the court premises. They broke down and said that even after 29 years, what they got was only life imprisonment. None of them managed to get death sentence. What went in favor of the accused in this case is the fact that all the accused in this case are very old. Captain Bhagmal is around 85 years old. The other 2 accused are around 58 and 68 years old. That was one of the reasons why death sentence was not given to them. In fact, the court also observed that one of the accused is suffering from physical disability, and that's the reason why death sentence was not given. The CBI did try its best and said that this is a case which is the rarest of rare. In fact, in case of Captain Bhagmal, the court said that the court was informed by the CBI that being a defense services personnel, he should have realized what he was doing. The court was told about the role played by each of the accused and said that Balwan Khokar, being an ex-councillor, was like a don in that part of the capital. He was a rogue element who orchestrated these riots at the behest of political leaders. Now, Sajjan Kumar was acquitted in this case. He was the first one to be acquitted a week back, and the CBI has now said that they will challenge that order in the High Court. But here in the lower court, for the first time in 29 years, conviction has happened. 3 of the accused have been given life imprisonment, something that has not pleased most of the accused in this case.